Hi guys, Tech James here. So, bit of a weird video, but today I got this really weird email from BittBoy. Now, this is the official BittBoy team from the BittBoy website, and it says, customized firmware installed, supports Game Boy Advance, SNES, Mega Drive, SMS, and PlayStation 1, but it doesn't actually, but whatever. So I was reading this email, and it looks like they've got a screenshot here, and I was thinking, oh, maybe they've made their own custom firmware. So it says, the BittBoy is pre-installed the custom firmware, so not very good English, which allows you to play more games. And it says, all the games right here. The original system had been removed. Dual system will cause interception. What is that supposed to mean? There's nothing wrong with running a dual system. I've been running mine fine. And why does it say the original system has been removed? Does this mean the original firmware that it came with, they've updated it to the new one because of my video and because of the team that made the custom firmware? Who knows? So it says how to use. Insert the micro SD card, turn on the device, wait 2 to 3 seconds, you'll be in the main menu, select the emulator and press A to load the games. So then I just clicked on the link which they had right here, and it brought me to the official BittBoy website. So it actually looks like they've got rid of the firmware that my one came with, so the original one, and they've made their own custom firmware and put it on there, and they're putting it on the SD cards. Now I can't see anywhere to download this on the website, so if they do release it, maybe I will make a video, but it's the same thing, how to play games. But yeah, it looks like they've got their own custom firmware running on there, or they've just updated the firmware. Now this bit is quite funny right here, so I was reading this, and I thought, hang on a second, this is my computer. They've literally just taken a screenshot out my video and put it on their website. And I know it's my computer because, as you can see right here where it says OneDrive, I actually corrupted my OneDrive because I didn't want it, so I just used that as random file storage. I can show you right now. So yeah, here my downloads folder, as you can see, it's exactly the same. I've even got the same downloads folder from last time when I made the video. So yeah, it's a bit weird. I don't know why they did this, to be honest. Well, why they took the screenshot from my video. And then they've got some really weird kind of Windows XP screenshot down here. I don't even know. But yeah, it turns out they've updated the firmware that it comes with. And maybe this is on all new units. I have no idea. I was a bit surprised by why I got this email. Are they telling me off or something? Are they saying, don't use other SD cards, use the one from us? What? Of course you can use other SD cards. There's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, a bit strange, but I thought I'd just make this video because maybe they've updated the BittBoy because of that team that made the custom firmware. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.